Here's a whole lot of luxury in a smaller package. This is the new 2025 Buick Encore GX Preferred in Moonstone Metallic. I love this color. Now, underneath the hood, we've got a 1.2-liter turbo with a continually variable transmission for 30 miles per gallon highway. 18-inch painted alloy wheels wrapped in Hankooks. We go inside. We have both ebony and ebony. Yes, it's both leather and cloth. A nice hybrid interior. Now, we have our parking brake, our center console shifter here, other accessory buttons, also connectivity, 12 volts of power, climate control, air. Big, huge screen here for all of our Buick infotainment system, including SXM radio. Also, a full digital cockpit, leather-wrapped steering wheel, hands-free controls, and plenty of legroom for everybody up front. Now, even more room in the back for everybody right here. 5 comfy. And of course, we do have more of that leather and cloth hybrid. We do have connectivity back here for USB-A and USB-C. Lift gate is open. We've got a privacy curtain back here. Underneath, yes, there's our spare tire and also our tire kit. And we can put down the second row and have even more room as we're on the go in luxury in our new 2025 Buick Encore GX Preferred right here from Payne Weslaco Buick GMC. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.